So I'm gonna try some backwards engineering here.
It works.
It has been a long day. I was out in the hot sun way too much and it's late, but I still got to get a video out because I'm on this streak. Yeah, this was 88 videos in a row. Daily uploads. It's nuts. I don't even feel like making a video right now, but I made my commitment. I'm going for 120 and we'll make our decision then if we're going to go for 240. But somehow or the other, I got to get a video out, and I already have what I need to do to make a video. And on yesterday's video, there was a problem with the lights in the tractor, and it was the rear work light. It was not grounded out properly, and I took a good look at it, and I know why. And I'll show you. So right here, this has been damaged at some point in time. It's been dented in. Somebody came through here at one point in time and welded that up. So I'm looking at it. Do I do another repair on top of another repair? Or should I just buy another light? Well, here's the Steiner catalog. And go in here. This is the light that I would need to get to replace it. And it is $54.99. Yeah, I'm not doing that. We're going to take some paint off and we're going to weld it up and see if it works. But let's get started. Yep, garage door's open. There's flies going everywhere. But work must get done. So I'm going to take the paint off here. This tool's not working. Gotta get a better one. Okay, there's June bugs coming in here. Try this stone out and see if this helps us out. I need to go crazy here. Just need a little bit of bare metal to bridge with the welder. So we'll go do that right now. I think that's enough. I'll get the battery out and we'll test it. Okay, got the light here. Got a test lead on the back of it right there. Let's see if we can make light. Oh, really? No light? Nice clean metal right there. Well, let's go look inside real quick and see if the bulb's in there properly. Man, these bugs are something else. Bulb seems to be in there the right way. I need a big shop that's air conditioned and ventilated so I can close the door and keep the bugs out. These things are getting crazy. Let's do a continuity test on this ground. It's good. Was my bulb just not in there correctly? Well, let's find out. What if I got a bad bulb? It's possible. Got two of the old bulbs here. Let's try one of them. Oh, I think I got a bad bulb. This is a brand new LED. I'll try it one more time just in case it's a connection issue. Yep. Alright, that's trash. Get in there. I think it's a connection issue as well. What about this other bulb? Try this one. Oh, it's a spot right on here. Well, let's try the LED one more time. Maybe I gotta clean this up a little better down here. Okay, I'm pretty sure, I'm very confident this needs to get cleaned up better so there's no rust on it, and it's the LED bulb as well. Yep. Okie dokie. I'm gonna get all this cleaned up, put it back together, put it on the tractor, and show you the end result. It's dark out here, you probably can't see my face, but I got the light hooked up back in the tractor. Let's see if everything works. I don't need to put the key on for this. It's this switch over here. We got a work light, folks. We got a work light. All right, let's disconnect the battery. And let's go talk about Steiner tractors and why I like this company so much. Here is their catalog. If it ever comes to a point where my channel could ever be sponsored by somebody, I want these guys to sponsor me. Why? They're awesome. Where is that bulb that died? Or what arrived dead? There it is. All right, I already know what's going to happen because it's happened before. Not too much light here. The bugs, that's why. Let's go over here. Okay, so 2 years ago I ordered the wrong part. I actually ordered the wrong wheel for this same tractor. I ordered a 10-inch wide, and I should have ordered an 8-inch wide, and not on top of that, when it showed up, it was damaged, and I called them and I said, hey, I screwed up. I ordered a 10-inch, I should have ordered an 8-inch. And they're like, okay. And it was one of those oversized items that's not typically returnable. And I also pointed out, it's like, it's also damaged. These guys, these UPS guys, they dropped it on the ground somewhere and it bent the rim. And I was like, well, is there anything you guys can do to help me out? And they said, yeah, no problem. We'll go ahead and ship out the correct wheel today, and we'll also send you a UPS label to ship the old one back, the one that was wrong and is damaged. And they did, just like that. And then I got the UPS label. I also got the correct part, so I was able to get my rear tire mounted up and put the UPS label on the wrong one. Contacted UPS for them to pick it up. 2 weeks went by. They never picked it up. So I called Steiner back again, and I'm like, UPS still hasn't picked up this damaged part to ship back to you guys. And they were like, we're not worried about it. Scrap it, throw it away, sell it on eBay. We don't care. It's fine. Have a good day. Hope your tractor keeps running great. And yeah, it was awesome. So I know for a fact that when I contact them tomorrow about this bulb being faulty, they're going to do me right. And they're a good company. Plus they put 2 Cowtail caramel candies in every package they send out. That might be one of the reasons why I buy stuff from them. Maybe, I don't know. They're good though. Anyway, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Best way to support this channel, hit that share button, subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Laters.